Yeah, this is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're working on this great song, "The Nearness of You," and we're focusing in on the F diminished because it's a movable form, and we want to move it. And by the way, you can use this principle with any diminished chords. So it's not just this one. So here's our F diminished. And we're changing the inversion, which means we're doing the same chord, but the order of the notes are different. So it has a little different flavor. So I focus on my index finger, and when I start moving up the fretboard, I want to skip 2 frets. So that will put my index finger in the 4th fret. Do you hear that? Now, what can we do with this? Within the parameters of the pocket. We have so much time to do this, and it's just going to take trial and error to fit in how much time you've got. You can go back and forth between these 2 positions. You can keep going. Here's our F sharp, our F diminished on the 1st fret, going up to the 4th fret. Now we're going to skip 2 frets. Where's the index finger going to land? On the 7th fret. Wow, that's really pretty. And you can keep right on going up the fretboard and descend. We've been ascending. Go back down. Like so. So fun.